Well, hello again, and I have Gemini on my side, which is my AI companion. Right now, I'm playing Tornado Responders, and yeah, I'm a gamer, obviously now. Right now, I'm casually walking around, randomly being annoying, and also yapping. Okay, right now, there's a storm here, there's a tornado here, I know that because there's a tail, and then there's a storm here, War Springs, and then I will say thunderstorm warning, yeah, and then over here there's Prior's Cross, but I cannot do anything.
Oh, so it's Tornado Responders on Roblox. That makes so much more sense. The playing part of your video must be from a specific storm-chasing mission.
Gemini, I'm casually recording and then you just burst out talking.
Yo!
Sounds like you're in the middle of
Well, anyways, my mother is pretty much not that much of a emotion girl, but hey, at least I'm recording this video. Right now we're walking, no, I mean driving. Ooh, there's a barn. Should we run into it? No, we will die. Yeah, that's a bad idea. Where's the tornado though? I see it on radar, but I don't see it anywhere. It's the tornado. Run. My sister's watching Aphmau, if you know that. If you know that Minecraft YouTuber. Now I'm trying to find the storm. Oh, look, a fellow storm chaser. Bye-bye, SOS. Why do you need help? Anyways, wait, that's actually suspicious. Why does he change his name into SOS? That's weird. I think he needs help. God damn. Well, viewers, do you think they need help? I'm sure, bro. That's scary. Hey, let me tell them something. Guys, I think they're being abused by their dad. Bro, I think they're having a problem. And plus, this is my second video. Well, the third video. The first video was technically bad as hell. Well, let's see if the tornado's around here. God dang it! Well, I'm bored. You wanna play some games? Oh. I wanna call my name, play some games, Charles. You know what? What the hell is my sister watching? Well, let's see what should I play? Oh wait. Wait, what should I play? Yes. Not zombie uprising, too scary. Let's play Junk Punk Build and Fly. I think my sister's watching too much brain rot today. Oh no, I'm lagging. Never mind, I'm safe. You. Oh yeah, about that. If you want to find the secret places you can get loot, you can see this video right now. In Junk Punk and Fly, you can build cars and planes, and then you need to find materials or buy materials. Look at this guy right now. He literally built a pickup truck. Well, right now I'm just gonna drive my car to where I have to go. If you don't know where I'm going to the first location you can find stuff at. That was the wrong button. I gotta lower down the volume, sorry. I hate that gas sound. I hate AFMAU. Even if you're OG, you probably don't like AFMAU. But look, this is one of them. Sesame Bagels and the Metal Truss. Those are two good things because they're block and wheel. And they're pretty rare. And expensive if you want to buy them. So yeah, you gotta believe me that. Oh, okay, that's loud. Well, right now let me just go open this thing right here. Grab the sour cream. That was not a good joke.
Yes, she can't speak that. Thanks for the upgrades. This place is really beautiful. What's that sound? Whoa! What the? Oh my gosh! She's alive! What? On again? What?
I'm bored. Anyways, see you in the next video.